Hey guys, it's Adam here at Shield and Sword Academy. We're out here in this lovely Ohio weather. It's pouring down rain. We have the HoloSun red dot, and we're going to see if this thing can withstand the water tank for 15 or 20 minutes. We're going to shoot it, maybe 50 rounds, see if it holds zero, and obviously also, we're going to see if the rain gets to this and makes it fog up. Because if it fogs up, no good. I got my little boy out here with me today too, Zane. Zane, show him your gun, you're going to be testing. These guys bred in here. He's going to be shooting that from the see if it holds zero too. So, with that said, let's get to shooting, leave out in the rain, and then I'll get back to you guys and we'll see how it does. So let's get to the shooting. Yeah, bud. Go ahead, buddy. Alright, so let's see how it does. See the target. Not as fast as we should be shooting or could shoot, but fast enough. We were shooting at this guy right here. Pretty much just tore up that area. A little high, a little low, but got the job done. Let's go back and so far that red dot, I can still see everything. I don't see anything fogging up so far, which is a good thing. There's rain on, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, there's rain all over this, and there's rain all over this. Still super clear. I don't see any fogging up so. Alright guys, the sight's been left out here for about 40 minutes in the rain now. I've got the cameras, I think you can see the red dot in there. Still very clear, still crisp, still looks good. So far, no real fogging, no real issues. Brightness still works up and down. The whole optic still works up and down. I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed with this rifle. I mean, with the optic for this rifle. For $170, I don't think you can do much better. And then I said, still really clear. Time will tell. You know, after I let it sit, let it dry out, see if anything happens. But so far, so good for 40 minutes of rain for 170 bucks. So again, HoloSun red dot, $170 on primary arms. Not a bad optic.